Hey guys, so this is gonna be a first part of a video set. So this is my buddy's John Deere tractor, compact tractor he got from his grandparents. And I'm just doing some work on it because it's fun and cool. But I'm doing a full restore or a full revival on it. But I'm also doing a bunch of like, smaller videos. It's gonna be the first one of a how-tos. So this one's gonna be taking out the gas tank and cleaning it. It's got a bunch of gunk in it, and I don't want to run that through the fuel pump. It might help. I might be fine, but I just want rather just clean it. Um, so yeah, so first thing we're gonna do is take off the seat. You have to pop this frame up, and then we can get to the gas tank. So we'll get to that. So when it comes to the frame, we got one bolt on here each side. We got these, but we can just pop those. This should just pop right through. We got the 4 bolts on here on the seat. So we'll have to pop all those off. Then we also, I was looking at, we have these. Yeah, there we are. These, so I'll have to pop those off. Yeah, it didn't seem like too much work to get these off, so we're gonna do that real quick. We're gonna start with the seat, and then we'll get these bolts, and I'll figure out those other bolts. I think it should be fairly simple and easy. And then once we get that popped off, I mean, I think it's just a matter of unplugging the gas tank from the fuel pump line, and then yeah. Okay, so I need to get all these bolts off. This one's a 14. So we're just gonna break them. Okay, and now we just got a couple more. This one's gonna be tricky, how to break it. But we can get this one over here, at least. Right, got those out. Okay, so now we gotta figure out how to get this out. There we go, leverage. That off, and has 3 washers, looks like. For spacing and whatnot. It's not a seat, just pop right off. Very nice. Okay, let's get this one off. Where's it? That should go my impact for that. Okay, I just like to break them with a wrench because if you break them with a gun, sometimes you tear them off. Shoot. Okay. Yeah, I think it's just double washered. So, I already broke this one loose. Okay, got this one. These front ends should just lift up. Yeah. Sweet. I'm gonna get everything off of here. You saw that, but it lifts up pretty easily. So these bolts, these are bolts that face down. They have a nut on the underside. So I gotta grab a wrench and do that. It's gonna be hard to film, so I'm probably not gonna film it. You can't really see anything I'm doing. But yeah, just underneath here, there's a nut that attaches to it. Once you take those nuts off, these will just pop right up. We can get this gas tank out and cleaner. So this is what it looked like. The bolt down, you know, it's got a little square socket right there, so it just fits in and locks in, and then you tighten it with this bolt and lock nut or lock washer. That's right, nut and lock washer. Anyways, yeah. So I wasn't even looking at the manual, but all the John Deere newer ones, to take out the gas tank, you have to pop up the frame. Some of them you can like jack up the back and do it, but not with this design. But anyways, yeah, there's literally just what, 4 bolts. It's technically 6, because 2 in the chair that hold it down. These 2 in the front too. 6 bolts hold down this frame. So we can pop this frame up. I mean, literally just do that. I think I can just lift up. Oh, maybe not. This gas tank's on somehow. So I have to remove this. Okay, that's the underneath. It's actually good we're doing this because now we can clean everything out. So now let's figure out what is wrong with this, how this gas tank is bolted down. So it's just getting held in by 2 bolts on the sides. So get this one out, get the other one out, and we should be able to take the whole gas tank out. So these are 9/16" bolts. We're just gonna use the impact for this one. Ooh, do not lose that. So that's the little tab it connects to, holds it in place. So just make sure you have this tab. The tab, there's a little, the gas tank comes in and this sits on top of it, holding it, and when you screw it in, it can't move up and down. So let's go get the other one real quick. Okay. Screw that back in real quick. Don't lose that. Now, this gas tank just pop right up. And you have that. Okay. Nice and dirty. Good thing we're doing this. We can clean it all up. So right there, that's where the fuel connects to the fuel tank. So I'm just going to take this crimp off, and then what's going on? Hopefully, just take the line off. We'll clean up all this buildup and crap, and we'll clean up the outside and the inside, and then we can use this gas tank. So by the feeling of this line, I'm going to replace this line too. Oh, goodness. Holy crap, yeah. Ah, come on. Ooh. Just ripped in half over there. See that? What? Okay. Well, we're going to do this on the ground right here so you can actually see better. Now we just gotta let her dry, and then we can put her back on. So we got the gas tank all cleaned out, ready to be put back on, but I need to clean out all this. Got some purple clean, or purple power super clean, I forget what it's called. I'll get this all looking nice again, get at least all the dirt and crap off. I will get some new fuel line for the from the fuel pump to the fuel tank, but that'll be in the main video, the main revival video. For now, this is how to take this out. But yeah, so follow along if you want to see the rest of these videos and the end of the whole revival one. So yeah.